The breath reflects everything that's happening physiologically, physically, psychologically, but not only that, it affects what happens. By changing the breath, we can change what's happening within. Most people in our society don't breathe deeply. We are chronic chest breathers. Chest breathing is actually part of what is called the fight or flight syndrome, when you're facing a sudden danger and the whole system gets pumped up to react. And because of the relationship between the breath and the mind, when we breathe that way, it predisposes us to an anxious state of mind. Simply breathing deeply has a relaxation response in the system. When the lungs get expanded fully, there are stretch receptors in your lungs that send a signal to the brain. The brain gets the signal, we're totally stretched out, and the brain sends a signal back saying, okay then, relax. The heart is surrounded by the pericardium. The pericardium shares a common surface with the diaphragm. When you breathe deeply, you activate the diaphragm. As the diaphragm moves up and down, the heart is stretched and massaged. And not only that, all the organs in this region get massaged. Anything that's massaged gets toned, improves function. Also, the vessel that returns blood to the heart, the vena cava, pierces the diaphragm. When you breathe diaphragmatically, the vena cava is massaged. That massaging action helps it to release intermittently. When that releases, blood flow is enhanced. The heart at least has a pump. Our lymph system doesn't. We pump the lymph through muscular activity, through inversion, and through breathing. So we pump the lymph, our immune system is greatly enhanced. Just by breathing, you're stoking your immune system.